What's up, guys? So today is the day after, actually today is like a couple days after we finished the turbo install, and now we're about to get it tuned. We are at Gearheads Auto Fab, and my car is sitting right over there. We sold my wheels and the stock ones are back on it. I didn't know, but right when the tow truck got here, I took it off the jacks and all 4 tires went empty. So we had to just pump up the tires here, and the guy that's gonna tune is at the DMV, but he'll be back soon. So we're gonna go get something to eat, and hopefully she's still there when we get back. Also, don't make fun of my hair. My mom cut my hair because I gotta save money for car parts. Just like this tune, it's probably gonna be a lot of money. So if it's uneven, you know, it saved me 15 bucks. That's all that matters. So we're here at Gearheads Auto Fab, and we're about to get it tuned. I guess we have to add an O2 sensor, and once that's the case, then I guess we can tune it, right?
Yep. Able to read air filtration.
And we got this beautiful S2K up here. I would ask to race, but I'd probably lose anyways. How much do you think he's got invested in this S2K?
I don't know, but that box of parts was probably 10 or 12 grand.
Damn.
All the stuff in all the boxes, probably closer to 15.
Damn. It's nice though. I've always wanted an S2K. This is my dream car.
Yeah, these cars are dope. I mean, but he's grown and he's just trying to be a race car guy, so
yeah.
This is like a toy, you know? It's put a lot of really good parts on it.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So we just got it on the dyno, and we're actually about to start tuning it. Got the baby all strapped down, dude. I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna have to take on mad people on the streets now. I'm gonna be that guy on the road saying, hey, you wanna race? You wanna race? No more babying after today. What do you think, David? How much horsepower?
They know more than me.
I'm hoping for 200. 200. So usually, with a not MR2, you only have 1 fan, but for us, we gotta have 2 since the intercooler's in the back. So we're finally ready to tune, guys. We just added more coolant because for some reason after we bled it, it sucked all the coolant in. So we added water since I don't have the ready coolant there, so hopefully that works. We also took off the air filter so that we get better air in there while we're tuning, and everything's looking good. So I'm so excited to figure out how much horsepower this has. They said the thing on the screen isn't really reliable because this car has 130 horsepower stock, but on the screen it would say like 100 horsepower. So it's gonna be a little off, but we'll see a rough estimate. Damn, sounding badass. This exhaust sounds way better than before. We have these little backfires going on back here. I don't know if that's gonna stay there, but it sounds pretty dope. So we're leaving to get gas because we're super low. But we've had this food for so long, we haven't even started eating it, so. It's currently getting tuned over there, and he says it's going relatively good, so I'm gonna go get some gas before we run out.
85 or 91?
93, bitch.
93.
Mm-hmm.
Are we getting 93?
Yeah, it says we're getting 93. So back to the shop, we're about to put gas in the car because I think he almost ran out of gas, or he's on low gas right now. So, 93, no more 87. This is a long time coming. I'm so excited that I finally have a turbo car. I want them noises so bad. Holy crap. I see 200 on that screen over there. Oh my god. That's how much power I got? 198?
No, you mean actually 209.
Oh, holy crap. I thought you said...
kit, I guess. Yeah, 209. That was like a short pull. I didn't pull all the way red line.
Damn.
We're still gotta fix it.
209 so far? This ain't no little baby anymore. I'm gonna have to take on some people now. Second pull. Numbers keep on going up. Coming in thinking this was only gonna be like 160, 170 said. Comes out to 217 so far. And I don't even know if it's gonna get bigger or not, but it's so awesome right now to have actual horsepower. Not just like 130. I can keep up with the big dogs now, maybe race a Corvette or something, let's see. If you wanna see that, subscribe to my channel, because I will try to race a C5 Corvette or anything else that I see on the street soon. There's this one pipe that he says that I need to replace because we got it from Home Depot since it wasn't, the one that they gave us wasn't the right size. So we had to go to Home Depot and get one of those ones that were actually for plumbing. So what we're gonna do is, hopefully he has one, or we're gonna have to order one so that the one that we got from Home Depot doesn't fall off.
We'll see how much boost it took to get that number, and then I'll have a pretty good idea.
All right.
Like, it's kind of hard to say, but around 10 pounds of boost on like a motor like this, you can kind of tell where you're at. That's obviously a big turbo. So it kind of lets you know if maybe you want to build this motor or do
Alright. He hooked up his boost gauge and he's about to check how much boost we're running on the next pull. So that's going to give us a rough estimate. So if we want to tune it again or anything like that, we know where we were the time before. Trying to stay around 7, under 10, because I don't want to blow the motor on this. So this car with the new wheels and the turbo is going to look insane. And I just can't wait to take this to a car show and see what people say. The new wheels are going to be chrome, so they're not going to be black anymore. And I think it's going to suit the car really nice. It's going to have a nice chrome and red look. And then I want to put a couple carbon fiber pieces on it. And I think it's going to make this car look like a show car. Hopefully I can take some shows, win some trophies, I don't know. So guys, I just slid for the first time in this car and it was amazing. This car is so fast now. It is so cool. Like I can't even explain how cool it is. We're about to show everybody the car meet and see what they think too. Alright guys, so this is freaking insane. I love it so much. I even made it official. I got this. Came with the ECU, so I didn't really get it, but that is so dope. It tells me like all these stats. I didn't even know what they mean, but it's just dope. Ready? Ready?
What the fuck?
Badass, right?
No shit.
Yeah.
Dude, fucking badass. What turbo is it?
GT28, Garrett.
Awesome. I'm saving up for a GT30 right now.
Really?
That's badass.
You do it yourself?
Yeah.
Fuck
Me
yeah.
and him.
Hell yeah. How long it take?
Like a couple days. Yeah, 3 days.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
Dude, it's badass, bro. I've never slid in this car, but dude.
Have you driven in the rain yet?
No. I don't want to. Don't want to.
Dude.